Today's Latin phrase is animus possidendi. Animus possidendi. Literally, it means intention to possess. If you have to claim the rights on anything, on a race, you need to prove your intention to possess it. That's the animus possidendi, and actually possess it. Factum possidendi. So, if someone places a briefcase in my house and I don't know its contents, I don't have the animus possidendi. Therefore, if it contains something illegal and the police comes in, I'm not liable because I didn't have the intention to possess it in the first place. It's like the cloakroom in the railway station. You keep your luggage there, but the cloakroom doesn't have the animus possidendi on your luggage. You come back later and pick it up after paying the requisite charges. In property law, if a person decides to assert possessory title, he needs to prove that he is under settled possession of the property. This means the possession has been, over a sufficiently long period of time, agreed to by the owner and undisturbed. Therefore, settled possession depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. The element of animus possidendi is the intention to exclude the world at large, including the owner with the title deed. Let's look at some sentences to know how it's practically used. For the purpose of adverse possession, the defendant must prove animus possidendi. If the tenant leaves a building substantially furnished so that he can return any time and reside there, the tenant proves his animus possidendi, and physical absence will not be taken to mean cessation of possession. If the tenant leaves his caretaker in the building for the benefit of such tenant, he has proved his animus possidendi and cannot be evicted. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.